Hey my Nikki Boos, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss another video. This is a long awaited video. Everybody is always asking about these brows, so here you are. I did a full tutorial. I am going to voice over the tutorial so that I can be very detailed as I can to show you guys exactly how to achieve these brows. The makeup look that I'm going for today is very minimal. I did not record that, but if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then let me know in the comment section. I do have on foundation, lip gloss, and eyeshadow. Can't tell, can you? Yeah, so it's very minimal today. I was going with a slightly bare face is what the look I was going for today. I got some stuff to do. I don't have time for all of the rest of the stuff. So here I'm just using my brush to brush out my eyebrows. You want to make sure that you're brushing in the direction that they are growing, and this will allow you to see exactly where you want. So here I am going to place the brow powder directly on top of the hair that is right at the bottom. The thickest hair that is at the bottom. There are a few little hairs sticking out, but we don't pay attention to that. You're gonna go with the thicker part of your brows. I will allow you to see this brow in real time. The next one will be fast forwarded, but I'm simply just shading in my brows right now, just tinting them with a waterproof brow powder, and I am sliding this in the direction of the hair. The direction the hair is growing, I'm mimicking that hair by just brushing on top of it. Here I'm going up and down again, just with the direction that my hair grows, up and down strokes, making like string like hair strokes. I forgot to show you guys, here's the Reema powder, brow powder, and I'm using the color brown. Okay, so now we're going to take that brush and we are going to blend the hair with the brow powder. And that is all we're doing. It's just like your makeup. You want to blend these eyebrows to make them look natural. Moving on to the other eye, I'm going to go ahead and speed this one up, guys. But what I'm doing right here is matching up each side. And as you can see, this one is up a little higher, but we'll fix that later. So I'm just matching them up so that they could be the same. Y'all know how this goes. Sisters, not twins, but my eyebrows has to be twins, like are very close. And I do mean identical, not fraternal. I am very particular about my eyebrows. You don't have to be, but I am. Now it's time to go in with my Sephora concealer. You can use any brand that you like. Just make sure it's about one shade lighter than your skin, or if you want to go with a natural color, you could just use your color that's exact same as your skin. So now I'm just taking my angle brush and I'm going to just dab some of it off of that brush, off of the concealer brush onto the angle brush. Okay, so you're gonna take that concealer and I start right in the middle, because when you first apply it, that's where the most product is on the brush. So I start by wiping it in the middle and then go back and outline right on top of that line that you drew with the brow powder. You're going to go right over that line. And then now I'm just dragging it down because you want to blend the product. No line of demarcation. So you're going to blend, blend, blend. You're going to wipe away the product and bring it down to blend it. Now I'm using a shade lighter than myself because I am going to be basically applying concealer all over my lid. But if you're not going to be wearing like an eyeshadow, I would suggest you use a concealer that's the same color as your skin, so naturally your brows will be cut. Right now I'm going back in with that brush without putting any product on it. The brush that I was using for the brow powder, because I went up a little bit too far on this eye with the concealer, and so that's what I'm doing, correcting my mistake. Okay, again, we're going to start in the middle, get some of that product off. This might look like I'm moving really, really fast, but I did speed it up for the sake of the video because you guys saw me do the other side. Here I am lining up again with the other eyebrow to give me a guide as to where this brow should start, but this is going to be sped up. So it looks like I'm moving pretty, it's gonna start looking like I'm moving pretty fast, but it's just because the video is being fast forwarded. Okay guys, here's the trick. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is my everyday foundation that I wear. You can use any brand of foundation, whatever foundation you use. You're just going to put like a little dot of it on a cap directly on the brush. You can put it on whatever. I use the cap and then I wipe it off when I'm done. But this is what helps you to avoid having the halo effect on the top of your brows. So you're going to use that angle brush. I actually used the exact same one I was just using. And you're going to dab into that little dot of foundation. And you're going to outline the top of your brow. This is a very important step because it solidifies the look. It just brings everything together. So this is a mandatory step. If you are wearing foundation, you can do this with your under your brow as well as over your brow. You could do it, use your foundation for both, and then that way your face is just fully covered and your brows look more natural and not highlighted. But again, as you can see, I'm going pretty slow. You have to take your time with this. If you make a mistake, you can easily correct it. You're just going to get your brow brush and fill in exactly where you needed to make the correction. As you can see here on my eye, I did make a mistake. I am going to go in and correct it, and I'm also going to go ahead and speed this up as well. As far as in between your eyebrows, if you have a unibrow and you want to rock that is perfectly fine. You can define it the same way I'm doing right now. If not, you are going to draw a line going down using either the concealer or the foundation, and it should be lined up with the side of your nose. So you would put the stick on the side of your nose and use that as a guide. This is the finished look, guys, and it's very, very simple. If you have 10 minutes of your day, you can get this done. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is 3 o'clock in the morning and I am headed to bed. Bye.